Okay, the layering code, practical tools to create order in chaos. I want to clarify that this masterclass is not a way to do photography, a method, but it is something that you can add to your skills in order to improve with photography, to become a better photographer. So let's start with this presentation. I put in clear some things about what to expecting from this masterclass. This masterclass is aimed at all photographers who want to take their photography to the next level. So it is not just about making a certain kind of photography or to have a certain approach, but is really focused on taking your photography into the next level. I will propose this through a different approach to see and to observe on the street. This masterclass is not a series of sterile rules, because we are not proposing rules to observe, but I am proposing something to reflect how we experience on the street. This masterclass proposes a way of thinking and seeing rather than telling how to do it. It is still a clarification about I am not proposing a series of rules, not a way of seeing, but something more about think the things that you observe on the street in order to solve the composition and to create impactful images. Layering is introduced as a way to see the world and so making photography. It is a completely different approach that we can add to our skills as photographers. So, street composition mastery, masterclass structure. Layering is a way to set our frames. Framing, so composition, how to frame, contrast. Contrast not mean in an aesthetic way, but the contrast between subjects inside the frame. Geometry, the geometry inside that we can recognize also geometric figures inside the frame. The background control, because it is very important to understand how to control the background when we are photographing. Take in mind that the most of the good photographs are because there is a good background. So by choosing the background many times we can obtain a good photograph. The content, of course, because a photograph, we are talking about documentary photography. If there is not a content, there is not a photograph, in the sense that there is not a real sense without a content inside the frame. That content, I don't mean just, sometimes it's just about an atmosphere, a feeling inside the frame. That is also content. Content is not just storytelling, in my opinion. And composition. Composition is the formal aspect, the aesthetic aspect of the composition. Through the composition we obtain a photo that works fine with for the content. Composition is always depending by the content, so we need to understand how to compose a certain photo. What is layering? Definition can be: layering refers to the technique of composing a photograph with multiple elements or subjects arranged in distinct planes within the frame. Look at this photo, how I achieved to arrange the photograph in order to have those multiple elements and working together inside the frame. The purpose, it is very important why I am taking that picture. Layering used to add depth and complexity to the image, often revealing different narratives or interaction between the subjects. I think that the most interesting part of photographing, taking into account the layers in the frame, is about the fact that inside the frame there are several photos. I can divide the photo in several parts that are the layers, but also are different photographs inside the frame. That is the real interesting part, the real interesting job to do when we introduce layering in our approach, in our photography. The technique achieved by positioning subjects or objects at different distances from the camera, creating foreground, midground and background layers. That means we are talking about layering when we are talking about different distances from us and from the camera, creating foreground, midground and background. So the photograph has several dimensions inside the frame, giving also a sense of depth. No? The effect is that enhances visual interest and storytelling, allows to the viewers to explore the photograph in layers, discovering new details with each look. It is very interesting from the point of view of a photographer to consider that by making this I can show how I am attentive in the composition. I am making my job as a photographer in order to propose a vision. Layering gives us the idea also that the photograph is not random, is not happened for a casuality, but it depends by the photographer choice, also the photographer passions to stay there and waiting and photographing in the right moment, in the decisive moment, like Henri Cartier-Bresson said. So all these things are very important in order to build a different approach, a different way to observe and photographing.